Hi guys, it's Carmencita with Lilac Street, and today I'm going to share with you some of my longevity tips. Some of you like to wear a fresh set of lashes every day. You'll put them on in the morning and take them off at night. Me personally, I like to put them on once and not have to worry about it for a whole week. So all I have to do is really maintain. One of the most important tips for me is fusing on a daily basis, whether I do it first thing in the morning when I get up, or I do it in the evening, or while I'm watching TV, I'll take out my little mirror and just fuse. So if you just lightly fuse every day, sort of sandwiches them together and keeps them there. Also, another great thing that I love to use is an eyelash curler, because you can, again, sandwich them in between that, do a couple light squeezes. And the great thing about that is it not only sandwiches them together and fuses your lashes together, but it also gives you a nice little lift. I like to late night lash, so that way I put my lashes on the night before and I sleep in them. And when I wake up the next day, I feel like they've settled in more. Another tip is not only do I apply the glue to my natural lashes, but I will also apply it to the base of the segment, allow that to get a little tacky, and then apply that. That way you've got the glue on your natural lashes and the glue on the segment. It sort of reinforces it twice. Another tip is right after you've done your fresh set and you've let it dry for a little bit, take some of your crystal coat and just rub it on the inside of your wand and then fuse your lashes. This will not only help get rid of the stickiness, but it won't allow your lashes to stick to the wand when you're fusing them. Like so. Voila!